welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening one of my Christmas gifts, and it was this. It was the Snow Pals meringue cookie kit. So I'm going to be trying to make some meringues today, and it's going to turn out like these snowmans. This kit is going to take a little bit of time because we have to bake it in the oven for a long while, but it's going to be fun. So let's do it. These are the instructions on the kit. The first step says to preheat the oven to 200 Fahrenheit, so let's go do that. Okay, preheated the oven. Now let's start with the other steps. Let's first open up this kit. I guess this is the piping bag. And we have 2 gel tubes to decorate our meringues. And this is the meringue mix. Let's pour the meringue mix into a bowl. Let's pour it into the bowl. Okay, so we have an electric mixer here, so let's put on these parts. And here we go. Okay, so we were beating the meringue mix, and it's really stiff now, it isn't falling off. So we're gonna, according to the instructions, it says that we're supposed to put the piping bag in like this, and we're supposed to put it in a tall glass, this, so that it's easier to pour everything into the piping bag, like that. And we're supposed to put all of this into the piping bag. We have a spatula, and we're gonna scrape off all of the meringue into the bowl. Let's finish scraping all of this off. The meringue mix smells really sugary. I'm gonna take a little taste. It's really, really sweet, and it has a really strong vanilla flavor. So now I'm gonna scrape off all the meringue mix on the edges and kind of put it towards the middle. Put the meringue mix into the piping bag. So we're gonna pull up the sides of the piping bag. There you go, we have our piping bag. Let's kind of squeeze it towards the bottom. Let's cut off 1 inch from the bottom of the piping bag. I think I'm going to cut a little bit more, this much. That looks like white poop, so I think I need to cut more. I was able to get this one meringue, but it's looking kind of sad. It's like slouching and melting in the sun. So I'm gonna try making another one. Yay, made one that's 2 peaks. This is not going as planned. Okay, so here are our finished meringues. They look quite messy, and it was a fail in terms of looks. Hopefully it will taste good after we put it in the oven. Put this in the oven. So here are our little white blobs now. We baked it in the oven for 1.5 hours, and we also let it cool and stay in the oven after we turned it off for another hour, because that's what it said to do on the back of the box. So now we're gonna decorate it using these gel tubes that came with the packet. Okay, so let's cut off the tip. So now we have 2 opened gel tubes. So here are our meringues. We finished testing out the gel tubes. I think I'm just gonna start out with the smaller ones because they look easier to do, and if I mess up, it isn't a really big deal. So here we have 2 black dots as eyes. We have a kind of weird carrot nose. Decorate the second small one now. This time I decided not to do a snowman and I just did a smiley face. So let's put that down. It's a twin. It's a like. It's like thumbs up. Now I'm gonna pick one to eat. I think I'm gonna start off with a small one. This one's the smiley face. I'll eat it. It's good. It's really sweet. It tastes just like the mix, except it's crunchy and like hardened. That was really good. It was crispier, like the more we went inside. And the gel didn't taste like anything. And that's it for today's video. Bye!